Communication for emergency communication allows phones to connect to satellites on a low Earth orbit to send calls and messages when there is no mobile network nearby. This allows you to save users and provide emergency assistance when they are lost in an area where there is no cellular communication. Last week, Samsung finally released a beta version of One UI 6.0 based on Android 14 for the Galaxy S23 series in Germany, South Korea, and the United States. Now the company has confirmed that it will release a beta version of One UI 6.0 next month for additional countries. Samsung mentioned on its website that the beta version of One UI 6.0 will be launched in China, India, Poland, and Great Britain. The launch of the beta program in these countries is not a surprise, because it was the same last year with the beta update of One UI 5.0. Although the company does not say when these 4 countries will get access to the beta